In the previous tutorial, we have shown you how to buy game from Steam. Now, how to install your game on Steam application. Okay, first in here, you need to open your Steam application that we just installed in the previous video. Then you can go to your library, okay, your game library here, and select your game that you buy before. Then you need to click the install button and make sure your drive is enough the space. In here, my C drive not enough, so we need to click this and then select this and select add drive to select another drive. I want to put my D drive here. After that, we can close this window and select the install button again and select your data D here and click install. Just accept the license terms. Then the Steam application will download the game. Okay, you can see the percentage is here. You need to wait until the download process is complete and you can try to starting your game. Okay, we will pause this video until the download was complete. After the download is complete, now we on the verifying the downloading files, so you need to wait until the verifying is 100% here. As you can see, now is 83. Now after the download is complete, you can play the game with clicking the play button here. This is the launch from Steam application. You need to wait until the game is opened. You can see there is game is successfully open, but we need to still waiting the game. Wow, this game is beautiful. Waitings. And you can accept the license agreement. We can click no if you don't want to send diagnosis. Okay, welcome to Advanced Apex Connect. Sign in with your Apex Connect account or create one to use online feature and get access to exclusive content. Okay, we can skip for now. If you change your mind, you can create an Apex Connect account from the in-game settings menu at any time. Okay, and we successfully install the game from Steam application. After we buy the game, we can play the game fun, of course. Okay, and this is the game. And that's all. Tutorial how to install the game from Steam application. And if you have any question, you can fill in the form comment. Hope this video helpful for you.